You can see that I have something pasted on my ID here. That is most of the times to make all these to make this data because we have created our vocabulary now, and um they may be unique, they may not be unique, they could be repeated, but our main aim is to have some correlation. They should be repeated. They should have some let's say constant. Let's say a word constant, a corpus called constant should also appear in another the data point to help the machine learning model learn better, because the correlation can help you to understand the context better. So most of the time, because most of stuff like full stop and all these stuff is something I put here, it will make the machine learning model that to think that it's not really his fault. It's to think that some words are not similar. For example, constant, dot 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 dot, and constant is not similar. So we need to be able to group all these words so that the machine learning model can be optimized to learn better. So that's why I put all of this. So I will just have to like remove any of this stuff in the corpus. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to first declare a list in Python. Queen, sorry, queen vocab. So for item, and let's copy this. Let's name this a variable. Assign to the list. Um, the list is just going to be temporary. We're going to add it to the next data. I say for token in item. So looping to this the ice item, because each vocabulary is a list, so we're going to loop to it. So item, we now call token. We now make it all of them lowercase here to ensure consistency. That's the main aim, to ensure consistency and correlation, so our machine learning model can learn better. Then we now put for punctuation in each punctuation. So the token, we place the punch each of those punctuation. If we see any of them there, with space, just a space, or an empty string, and then, sorry, that was a mistake. And then they took the list with this thing, the area on. Then we now have to append it to the token. This token has been this token has the token each of the corpus, I would say. I think I'll name this corpus, but don't worry. But the corpus is just basically a word in the dictionary, the vocabulary. So this has already been formatted, so we append it to our the list we declared here. Then after we append it, then we now finally append everything. Green vocab. Okay. Hopefully it works. We have no errors. Okay. So that's it. Then the next part, we need to format